yeah, and we're back. This time, where are we, Sophia?
Alesund.
Alesund. We're facing the non-city direction. The city's on the other side. Wow, look at that little mountain range over there. Some snow. Oh my god, that could have been a disaster. His glasses fell there instead of there. Mount there, the snow up over there. Came in through this entry over here. Over there's a continuation of Alesund, which kind of wraps all the way around. Very cute. Huevos rancheros por aquí. Sophia's got some breakfast potatoes hidden under loaded breakfast potato. But you have like a mix. You have like a mix between like old and you have a mix between new. Look at Sophia matching with the building. Look at that. But now we've got to walk all the way around? Oh my fucking god.
Está bien, tengo que bajar la comida un poco. Vamos a estar sentados todo el día.
It's 2034. It's not like we got all the time in the world. And then we're parked next to this behemoth of a boat. Even though it's like two behemoths staring at each other. Actually, no, we're sniffing the booty of this behemoth. That's what's happening. Concrete back then. Okay, look at that. So cute. Oh. lord. Whoa. Whoa.
They come in a whole variety of sizes. They live underground typically, and they are kind of active at night when the mythology goes that when they are touched by the sunlight, then they are turned to rock. So this wall here, the mythology behind it was that there was a big wedding in the area between some trolls. So the local troll king, his daughter was getting married, and they had a big wedding, and near the end of the night they decided to start building the house for his daughter. And so they were building it. They got the first wall completed, which is this trollväggen here, and right before dawn they decided to go up to the top and just have a look at what they were doing, and marvel at how much work they put into the wall. And while they were sitting up there, so there was 8 of them there, 8 trolls, and that's all the peaks, as well as you can see a little square peak, which is a little owl that was sitting with them as well. And they were up there, and then the king suddenly felt something warm on his back, and he jumped up. So he is the tallest peak on the wall, and he noticed the sun was coming, but it was too late, and they all turned into stone.
Okay, got the Cobb salad. Got the hot dog.
Pero ¿cuál es el hot dog que pediste?
Barbecue wing.
Ahí ando.
Oh, I didn't get the coney. I didn't get the coney dog. I got the other one.
¿Cuál era cuál?
The coney dog has chili on top.
Oh, snap.
Bacon and sauerkraut. And then Sophia's got the fish and chips and the Caesar.
Okay.
Carrot cake and a cheesecake.
Con un brownie base.
With a brownie base. With a brownie base.
¿Te comiste todo?
Aquí huele a Londres. I don't know what it is. yeah, oh yeah.
I made it too. You can bring anything in for me. Am I in the know?
You're slightly in the know. The breads. I forget each of the. Well, no, it's the focaccia.
Cari,
I forget which one that is.
¿qué focaccia? Es ciabatta.
Ciabatta, excuse
Oh
me.
my god, ok, pichea. Esto es stromboli, esto es ciabatta. Este pan no me acuerdo el nombre, pero está bien, tiene queso.
Okay.
Entonces, esto tiene tomate con eggplant. Ahora,
Esto es
taking
un
over.
aceite de oliva with lemon infused and rosemary, I believe.
No me acuerdo. Y
And then mascarpone cheese. No? Mascarpone. That came full for me. That came suspiciously fast.
está bien caliente, ¿no? Está
Sí.
que quema.
No puede.
Ok, cariño. Yo creo que después de esto nos podemos ir. Ensaladas, no tengo idea de qué tiene.
¿De qué tiene?
Pero
Zanahoria,
la pizza fue
lechuga.
claramente un...
Additionally, like a little bit.
Según el mesero.
Según el mesero. Italiano, obvio.
No. Tu lado.
Simple beef fillet, medium rare, con veggies y papas, carrots, lentejas con trufa
Y brocolini.
y brancino famoso sería.
Con coliflores de colores. Postre caliente, dos postres. Aquí el tiramisú se ve muy bueno. Y el ganador.
Budino.
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch budino.
Dale.